My doorbell just rang. I wonder what could be at my door. Here it is. This month's Love Me Gluten-free box. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for my Love Me Gluten-free box. This is my third box. I believe the theme for this month is Summer Love. It's always packaged so nice. Jenny puts so much attention to detail, thoughtfulness, just caring in it. I see one of my favorite companies, The Good Crisp. These are original potato chips crinkle cut. I have not had these. I usually buy their, I call it the Pringle dupe, the healthy Pringle, but I bet these are gonna be great. I love this company. We have Yum Bana, if I'm saying that right. I don't know this brand. Gluten-free cookies. They are double chocolate chip. That looks really good. We have Eat Gangster, cinnamon spice cake and muffin mix. That looks really yum. We have Snackmates Kids Chicken and Maple little sticks. These are wonderful. I have not seen these, but they're like chomp sticks. These are great when you're on the go and you want protein. Nice alternative to protein bars, which typically aren't meat. This is Indian Korma. I'm not familiar with this brand. Proudly made in Maine. Good to go. Carrots, parsnips, and chickpeas braised in warm spiced curry. This looks really, really yum. We have Flax for Life chocolate brownies. I've heard of this brand, but I have never bought from them. We have a Woe cookie dough snack bar, oatmeal chocolate chip cookie dough. I have never seen this, but this sounds really good. We have, is this Chomps? It looks like Chomps. It just says the new Primal lightly peppered turkey stick. So I guess it's not Chomps. It reminds me of Chomps, the packaging, but it is a turkey stick. Well, I'm sure we will love that. We have here gluten-free super fudge brownie. Just add water and microwave from King Arthur. I do like King Arthur. I have never seen this. We have another Woe cookie dough snack bar. This is sprinkle sugar cookie dough. Sounds really yum. Always coupons in here, which is fantastic. Coupons and promo codes if you want to order from these companies, which is so great. There's some more. Oh, we have beef-free, gluten-free sweet potato tortillas. That's fantastic. I haven't tried them. They look fantastic, just to clarify. And then we have a glass jar, which is packaged to keep it from breaking. This looks good. This is a Lighthouse guacamole herb blend. Wow, I'm assuming you mix it into your guacamole, or I'm assuming you can probably use it any which way you want, but that looks fantastic. And then there's always a little treat from Jenny. It's the June mystery gift, it says right on it. Let's see what it is. It is 3 magnetic clips that say gluten-free, lovemeglutenfree.com. So you could put these on your refrigerator to hold something, or you could use them to seal up like a chip bag or something like that. Those are great. They're very sturdy, very strong. A lot of them are really cheap and flimsy and they break right away. So that's this month's box and it's fantastic.